How to bold a text in LinkedIn. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can bold a text in LinkedIn. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is simply first type in whatever you want in your LinkedIn. So after you type in something, you will simply need to keep on typing it, and as you can see, this is in bold. Now, what we can do here is, for some people, if you simply select the text and hit Ctrl B, it should work and it should give you a bold text, but for some it does not work that way. So if it does not work that way for you, simply head over to your Windows or Google Docs or your Microsoft Word, whichever works, and then type whatever you need in and then bold the stuff that you want to bold. After you do that, simply copy all of these, copy it, head back here, and then paste it. After you paste it, as you can see, I have just bolded the stuff that I want to, and now all you need to do is tap on the post button and you're good to go. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.